Here's my Temu haul. Now, the trick with Temu is sometimes you have to experiment. Sometimes you know how much stuff is at the Dollar Tree versus on sale at Michael's or Joann's. This is for your crafting, for your office, for your art supplies, journaling, things like that. So this was my haul that I just got in today, and I wanted to lay out some of these things to show you my opinion and what I like and what I don't like. So there's some things that are really expensive you can buy from specialty stores as well. So let's start with washi tape, since that's my favorite thing in the world. So here's washi tape. So I love sunflowers, and I fell in love with these sunflower tapes. So this is how pretty the box came in. I can, of course, repurpose that box. However, even though these washies are super cute and pretty, you see how pretty they are? They're very thin. You see how thin they are? If I pick one up and see, they're not very much tape on them. So that was a little bit of a disappointment. However, they were on sale. The trick with Temu is you want to get free coupons, you want to get credit back, you always want to ask for credit back every time you get an order, because if they change the price, they'll give you the difference back in a credit. And you want to wait to look always on clearance. So I always like search up washi clearance. So the other thing that I love is stickers. And here are these gorgeous, gorgeous stickers. I'm going to put them against the white. So look how pretty these are. These are like Valentine's Day kind of, February kind of stickers. I love the clear ones with the clear backs. I did get a nice, if you saw my other haul, I did get some nice washi tapes from Temu the other day. But these are just so too super cute. Look at this. They're just absolutely adorable. Lots of beautiful pinks and this kind of vintage. See the vintage look with the flowers, the phones, the chocolate bars, butterflies. They're just so gorgeous. So this was a super good deal. I think these were $1, maybe less. And so I got 2 packs. I knew that the clear ones are always good, so I was confident in getting those. The other washi tapes that I just fell totally in love with was this Emu Life collection. Look how pretty the box that it comes in. So it comes in a box and it looks like this. There's 42 rolls, and there's 9 feet of this, which is still not a whole lot, but oh my gosh, I don't need to use a lot. Like if I'm using these big ones, see, they're still kind of skinny on there. A lot of tapes are like that these days, but sometimes I get really thick ones from Temu as well, like a lot on it. But these are just absolutely stunning, very stunning washi. So if you're addicted to washis like me, oh, look at that gold foil one with that butterfly. Oh my gosh, they're so beautiful. Okay, so those are the washis. So then I also got washi tape paper. So I'm going to try this out. It works with laser and inkjet printers. And so I can make my own stickers on there, or my own washis. I'm testing out nano dots. So I got these ones. These ones don't look so great. And I got these ones. I bought some ones that were smaller last time, and I having a really hard time taking that white piece of paper off of the nano dot. So I'm hoping that these will be easier once I try. I'm going to just try different companies till I find the ones that I like, because I'm not going to pay the kind of price that the regular store is asking for these. The other thing that I wanted to try out was these were all on sale. These are little pouches. For this one is an eyeglass pouch. Wow, this one is super high quality, but I didn't buy it for an eye pouch. So what happens is this kind of pouch, it bends like this, so nothing falls out. I got these to take my pencils or pens with me when I'm going places or when I'm traveling, going to a friend's house or whatever. I can put some of my pens in there for scrapbooking. And then all of these little pouches I got for like 39 cents, 49 cents, 59 cents, 99 cents. I wanted to try different ones because I love to put my pencils, my pastels, my gelatos, all of those kinds of things, project things that I'm using inside of these kind of pouches. The other ones that I wanted to try out was the see-through ones, and I still like those. Even though I can't see what's in these, I still like I like these better than these clear ones. So I got one of these clear ones. It was like, I don't know, 39 cents. You can open it from the back sides or the front. And then I got these pouches to keep scrap papers in, or some leftover stickers. Maybe I'm doing a project and want to carry it around. So I wanted to test these because I do know they sell them at Michael's and Joann's and stuff, clear ones. And so I wanted to see what these looked like. They only had them in black, the ones that I wanted on sale. Then I got some paint brushes. I needed to get some paint brushes, so I got those. I wanted to get these these are permanent white markers. I have plenty of Sharpies that are black, but I don't have any that are white, and I wanted to try those. Oh, and I also got a bigger pack. So underneath these stickers, I forgot to mention, there's a bigger pack of these adhesive sticker paper. It's way cheaper than at Office Depot and Amazon. Another little thing to understand is that a lot of times these things that you see on Temu are actually also on Amazon, but they sell them for a lot less on Temu. I got these really pretty resin beads. These are amber resin. They're not real amber, of course. They're resin made, in the lab made amber beads. And these are great for my jewelry and to make little bookmarks for my journals. I also got these little rollers. You put these on the bottom of anything you want, and they become little wheels that you can just wheel the thing around your desk. I tried these watercolors. They're very tiny, a lot smaller than it looked like online. I don't always transfer the centimeters to inches, so I'm not always really great at that. I wanted to use, and then I got this plug, which I really want, because this is going to cover up. See, what happens is you have this in here, you put that over your plug so it doesn't show, and then these go underneath wherever you want them to go. So I'm in my office. I have a lot of calyx cubes and stuff, so I need to get the cords up from behind them and over into the areas I need. The other thing that I hear a lot of crafters use is these job tickets. Do you see that? It's hard to see from there. So these are job ticket, and they have a little hole that you can hang, and they have a pocket right here. So this is great if you want to store stencils. Maybe you want to store your die cuts this way, or projects that you like, maybe a page that you're in the process of making. You want to put everything in one of these. So I tried these, and these are actually really high quality, and it comes with a ring to hang them on, or you can just hang them, from your cabinets like this or on your carts. So I really, really like those. The other thing that I ordered was these magnets for my die cuts. So when looking online, these are super expensive at places like Stamp and More and scrapbooking.com and stuff. And so hopefully these are good. But these are for the smaller die cuts, and it even comes with the envelope to put them in. So you put your die cut on the magnet, and then you stick it inside the envelope. And I'm going to try storing my die cuts that way. This is, I ordered these colored pencils. They're really nice and nice quality box as well. And these papers I couldn't resist because I love textured papers. And these were really inexpensive, and you don't get that many, but they're very nice. And I love the quality, and it's the same on both sides, which I really love. I bought these clear books. I'm going to organizing my stickers. So I'm thinking these kind of books are amazing for that, and they come in these beautiful colors. So I got a blue one, and I got a pink one. I'll probably get the green one now that I see them and really like the way that they're handling. And then they're very easy to label back here. Let me see if there's anything that I missed. I think I got everything. So anyway, that is my stash from Temu today. And I'm sorry I'm in my kitchen, but my craft room / office is all under construction right now. So ask me any questions you have about ordering from Temu.